32,160 is the amount of heat which I needed, which I have supplied for this conversion of state as well as whatever processes I need. What is the amount of heat I have provided? 32,160. So can I say the total amount of heat provided to the body? साथ में लिखोगे नहीं. 32,160 joules. Okay. Now what does it say? The heat energy, 32,160 joules of heat energy changes 10 gram of ice. सबसे पहले ice में था -40 डिग्री सेल्सियस का 10 grams of ice को सबसे पहले it converts it into completely, what is the process? -40 grams of ice into superheated steam at 160 degree Celsius. So the entire process is what? This much energy is used to convert -40 degree Celsius का जो ice था उसको superheated steam में convert किया है. So first process क्या हुआ? First process is -40 degree Celsius से -40 डिग्री सेल्सियस से पहले 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर लाएगा. चेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर हुआ. So this will use MC delta T. Then at 0 degree Celsius of ice, first it will convert to 0 degree Celsius of water. This will use which formula? M into latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion लगेगा कि नहीं इसमें? Fusion ही बोलते हैं ना इसको, आइस से वाटर हुआ तो. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? वाटर से आइस या आइस से वाटर हुआ, उसको लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन बोलते हैं. उसके बाद फिर से 0 डिग्री से the temperature will start rising when the whole mass is converted into water. Again the temperature is rising. Now it will reach the melting boiling point, that is 100 degree Celsius. Here also since temperature is rising, MC delta T will be used. Again from here 0 degree Celsius, 100 degree Celsius of water to 100 degree Celsius of steam. This will require ml of vaporization, right? Again from 100 degree Celsius it will require more heat to raise the temperature. The final temperature is 160 degree Celsius. For all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 processes, how much heat does it use? 32160. If you think there are 5 processes, तो 5 से divide कर दो तो आप लोग एकदम गलत हो. नहीं हो सकता है ये. हर प्रोसेस के लिए डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ हीट लगता है. सो कैन आई से द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज गोइंग टू बी एन एडिशन ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो कैन आई से मास ऑफ आइस इनटू स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी ऑफ आइस इनटू चेंज इन टेम्परेचर ऑफ आइस क्या है अभी पढ़ते हैं. चेंज इन टेम्परेचर 160 तक गया है, बट यहाँ पे इस लेवल पे क्या है चेंज इन टेम्परेचर? फाइनल टेम्परेचर माइनस इनिशियल टेम्परेचर, that is 0 minus -40. I know what that means. Plus, now what is happening? M mass of ice or mass of whatever, mass will remain the same. ml आएगा ना, पहले आएगा मतलब. What did you just say, stupid fellow? Latent heat of fusion, यही ढूंढना है मुझे. Plus third process, mass of water, same is, have it been said anywhere that the mass is changing? No. So the mass of ice and mass of water, volume और density change हो रहा है, mass is remaining constant. ठीक है? So mass of water will be the same as mass of ice. This also mass will remain the same or not? सबका mass एक है. Into specific heat capacity of water into change in temperature. Now see the change in temperature. 0 to 100 हो रहा है कि नहीं? So can I say 100 minus 0, final minus initial, plus next again I am needing mass of water, same mass रहेगा. Latent heat of vaporization, how much is it given? Latent heat of vaporization is given as 2260 into change in temperature. What is the change in temperature? One sec. हाँ अभी नहीं, ये नहीं है. अभी यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? ये हो गया, ये प्रोसेस हो गया. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस, सेकेंड प्रोसेस, थर्ड प्रोसेस हो गया. अभी फोर्थ प्रोसेस इज वेपराइजेशन. सो m into L I will use, right? This is of vaporization. So how much is this? 2260 plus ये प्रोसेस भी हो गया. Now this is the final process. Final process में again there is a change in temperature. So I am going to use what? Mass is going to remain the same. Specific heat capacity of water into 160 minus 100. Let's substitute all the values. What was the mass? 10 ग्राम. मास सब चीज का कॉमन है तो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? दिस होल थिंग इज इक्वल टू 32160. राइट? All the masses are same, so can I just take 10 grams outside? Can I take 10 grams outside? So what is specific heat capacity? कितना दिया है दोनों का? 2. Specific heat capacity of ice and steam is both given as 2 joules per gram degree Celsius. So can into 40 plus what is the mass? Mass I have taken out common. L I have to find. Plus what is mass? Mass I have taken common. This is also 2 into 100. Plus mass I have taken out common. 2260 plus 160 minus. हाँ मास ले लिया है. ये क्या होगा? 2 दिया है. Into 60 is equal to 32160. So can I say ये 0 cancel कर दिया मैंने. Okay, now let's calculate. 4 2s are 80 plus latent heat of fusion plus 200 plus 2260 plus 120 is equal to 3216. 0 कहाँ से है? So latent heat of fusion is going to be 3216 minus 2260. हाँ 2380 2660 आ रहा है. 2880 2880 आएगा बेटा. 2260 plus 120 that is 2380 2480 2660 आ रहा है. माइनस करके बोल रहे हो क्या तुम लोग? नहीं ना.
ये से 2660
80 plus
2660
1 second. हाँ listen, यहाँ पे water specific heat capacity of ice and steam was given to be as 2. But what is the specific heat capacity of water? 4.2. I have taken this for 2 by mistake. 4.2 होगा ये. तो ये कितना होगा? 420. Only this is a very important point. See, I missed it. So you please don't repeat this mistake. 4.2 लेना पड़ेगा हमें. Because steam और ice का दिया है सिर्फ. हम लोग water का 2 नहीं ले सकते. Water we already know it's 4.2 calories per gram degree Celsius. So this is 2880. So can I say latent heat of fusion of ice is equal to how much? 336 joule per gram.
हाँ 306.
जूल पर ग्राम यूनिट लिखना जरूरी है, नहीं तो 0 मार्क्स मिलेगा. Okay, don't make this mistake. This is very important. Always draw this graph. I have always done calorimetry. When I gave my board examination, this was compulsory. So make it a habit. ऐसे करके बनाओगे mistakes नहीं होगा. Every step में क्या हो रहा है? Did you understand?